nôl i Ribidirês! Welcome back to Ribidirês! Angharad ydw i, I'm Angharad, a dwi'n barod i ddawnsio gyda chdi heddiw. I'm ready to dance with you today. Ond chi angen un peth, you need one thing. A scarf! Scarf! Off a chi ffeindio un, off you go to find one. Chi di ffeindio un? Fab! You found one. Brilliant! We're going to use that a little later. I cynesu i fyny heddiw, to warm up today, we're going to take inspiration from our garden. Fyddwn ni'n cael ein ysbrydoli gan yr ardd. Beth sy'n tyfu yn yr ardd? Bloda hardd sy'n tyfu yn yr ardd. Beautiful flowers grow in our garden. A maen nhw'n dechrau off fel hedyn bach. And they start off like a tiny seed. Can you be a tiny seed? A tyfu fyny and grow up into a beautiful flower. Dach chi eisiau dawnsio gyda fi? Would you like to dance with me? Well done you! Am flodau hyfryd! What beautiful flowers! Just fel yng Nghyfarth, just like in my garden. Pwy arall ydyn ni'n ffeindio yn yr ardd? Who else do we find in our garden? Siani flewog, ond Siani flewog, ble rei di? Ble mae Siani flewog? Where are the caterpillars? Siani flewog, ble rei di? Dringo i fyny ar dysgwydd I dy gosi di.
Siani flewog, ble rei di? Dringo fyny ar dysgwydd I dy gosi di.
Da iawn pawb, naethoch chi ffeindio fo? Did you find him? Brilliant, ar dy ysgwydd dwi'n siŵr. On your shoulder was he? Ooh, mae'n cosi. Tickles, doesn't he? Da iawn chi. Da chi eisiau dawnsio fel lindys? Would you like to dance like a caterpillar? Be am os chi'n dawnsio gyda pawb yn y tŷ? What about if everyone in the house dances? Un ar ôl y llall. One after the other. Gei di dilyn y person yn y tu blaen. Neu, os da chi eisiau, or if you want, you don't have to follow the person in front. You could dance on your own. Wiggling, I fyny ac I lawr, up and down, neu yn rolio, or rolling from side to side. Fyny chi. Off a chi. Have some fun. It's up to you. Well done to you. Chi'n lindys mor dda. You were brilliant caterpillars. Iawn. Dych chi'n gwybod, ar ôl mae lindys di bod yn lindys, after caterpillars have been caterpillars, maen nhw'n troi I fewn i'r cocoon. A maen nhw'n dod allan o'r cocoon fel pili pala. They roll up into a cocoon and they come out of that cocoon like a pili pala, like a butterfly. Dach chi eisiau troi fewn i'r cocoon? Would you like to go into a cocoon? Fabulous. Chi angen eich scarf chi rwan. You need your scarf now. Off you go to find it. Off a chi ffeindio fo. A wedyn, na I ddangos I chi sut I wneud cocoon. Chi di ffeindio'r scarf. Da iawn chi. You found your scarf. Brilliant. Rhowch o ar y llawr fel hyn. Put it on the floor, like this. A wedyn, gorwedd ar un ochr. Then lie on one side. Fel hyn, like this. A rolio I fyny. A chi'n barod I gael nap bach I troi I fewn i'r pili pala. Da iawn pawb. Well done everyone. Oedd y cocoon yn cyfforddus. Was your cocoon comfortable? Dach chi'n barod I ddod allan o'r cocoon rwan a troi I fewn i'r pili pala hyfryd? Are you ready to come out of your cocoon and turn into a beautiful butterfly? Ac I ddawnsio rownd yr ardd and to dance around the garden? Dach chi'n barod? Are you ready? Iawn pawb, brilliant, hyfryd, so beautiful. Dwi'n siŵr bod chi wedi blino lan rwan. I'm sure you're so tired. Da chi isio ymestyn I fyny a wedyn gorwedd I lawr. Wel, mae'n amser I fi ddeud hwyl fawr. It's time for me to say Goodbye. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Welai chi tro nesa. See you next time.